Among the rocks and seaweed of shallow coastal waters lives one of the ocean's most perfectly camouflaged creatures, the stonefish. Its raw, coral-like body blends so well with the seafloor that many people never notice it until it moves. Despite its reputation as one of the most venomous fish in the sea, coastal fishermen have long known that, when handled carefully, stonefish can also become a remarkable seafood meal. Catching one requires patience and caution. Every movement must be deliberate, because the spines on its back carry powerful venom. But once the fish is safely handled and prepared, the transformation begins. Over an open fire, the stonefish fries until its skin becomes golden and crisp. Inside is firm, white meat with a surprisingly delicate flavor. Served simply with rice and a bright vinegar chili dip, it becomes the perfect example of sea-to-stomach cooking, where skill, respect for the ocean, and fresh ingredients turn even the most dangerous catch into an unforgettable coastal feast.
Kain po, kain! Stonefish! Ini, ini. Grabe kataba ng isda. Baoy! Ikaw. Kain po. Saw-saw. Baoy! Taba. Laman mga kapatid.